Hi, this is JC from Mindfulness Matters. We hear a lot of talk about self-care, and so today I thought what we would do is talk a little bit about what self-care means to you. So if I asked you the question, how are you taking care of yourself during this time of quarantine, what would you say? Are you maybe eating a little bit better, not trying to be on the couch too much, picking battles with somebody you might spend an enduring amount of time with? There might be a lot of different ways that we can take care of ourselves, and what I thought I would share with you today is the 3 dimensions that we need to take care of. So your mind, your body, and your spirit. Most people agree that those things are pretty integrated nowadays. So when I take care of my spirit and my mind and my body, one of the things I do is think about what I call my gateways, my 5 senses. What am I seeing? What am I smelling? What am I tasting? What am I touching? What am I hearing? That's how everything comes into your body, is through that way. So think about that. Think about everything that you expose yourself to in your home environment, and have you made sure that it's good for you or good to you? I thought that might be something to consider as we're trying to make the best use of our time at home. Next, I thought I'd talk a little bit about anxiety again. It's a topic that I'm very passionate about because I work with a lot of people that struggle with it, and I've had my own battles with it as well. Remember that feelings aren't facts. I know that I've said this before, but your feelings are subjective. What you feel is based on a combination and conglomeration of everything you've experienced and learned from the moment you feel it backwards. Please consider this. When you feel something, before you just jump into acting on that feeling, are you sure that it's true? Does it have enough information to pass? I try to remember also that, especially right now in dealing with all of the uncertainty, that uncertainty is the mother of anxiety. Be careful what you watch. Be careful what you say. Be careful what you think. Being mindful is all about understanding that when we're present in the moment, we have a choice to understand that there are things that just pop up, but then there are thoughts that we have purposefully and consciously. You have a big file system in your noggin, and it's important to remember that you might not always be in control of the things that come out of your mind that pop into your forefront, but you are in charge of how you respond to them, and you are in charge of whether or not you give them power. So please think about that today. We're getting into our phase 1 here in Florida, and so this has created a lot of uncertainty for people. One way to manage uncertainty is by being mindful. Mindfulness is about understanding that you need to be present in the moment that you're in. And when you're present, you're aware. And when you're aware, you're smart. So take some time and remember that mindfulness matters. Think about it.